Fatima Saima Ahmed and I am currently serving as AC Latifabad District, Hyderabad. I am from the 46th Common Pakistan Administrative Service. Speaking a bit about my background, where I really belong from, well, my father is a Pakistani and basically of Baloch descent, somewhat Arabian. My mother was a foreigner, basically a Sri Lankan of Malaysian descent, so I am a typical hybrid kid. And going back to my childhood, when I was 15 days old, I had my first flight. I moved to Sri Lanka. I was brought up by my grandparents, and my maternal side is entirely from the police service. So at that time, my grandfather was serving as the SSP. So I initially grew up with that kind of a background, right? I was the pet of the family. My grandmother used to sing me songs to sleep. So I was that ideal princess, living in that fairy tale